Hello, hello, hello. We are behind all these trees is Kings Island. We are back today, third week of operation, and as you can see behind me, it's still gray skies. What's the deal, Kings Island? You open and it rains, but the good thing is I'm seeing blue skies around. I'm actually in a t-shirt today, no jacket, no anything. It's supposed to be about 60 something degrees, so it's going to be on the little warmer side. It's supposed to get up to 70, and it's actually feeling a little humid right now. But yeah, we're going to check out all of the, if there's anything new with the Firehawk land. Dinosaur's alive land clearing. And there's also some other new stuff that we'll be checking out from stores. And Space Beagle opens this weekend at the Planet Snoopy Showcase in Planet Snoopy. So we'll check that out. And we'll see you guys in the park.
Would you just look at these fountains? Alright, so we just got off of our ride from Diamondback, and as always, it is a great ride. The floater airtime is really good this year, and it's running even better this year for its 10th anniversary. And as you can see, this is the view of the splashdown behind the Miami River Brew House. The train's about to come through here any second now. Go take a ride on Windseeker to see what is new and developing on this land clearing that's going on. Alright, so we just got off of Windseeker to check out the land clearing for back there, and nothing new has been done from what we can see. We're going to go up on the Eiffel Tower later and check it all out, but as we can see, nothing new is done. Clearing wise, they've cleaned up the brushes a little bit that was knocked down. But other than that, the area looks clear and nothing new has become a part of it. And there's no markers or anything. So the only thing that's relative to markers is there's traffic cones back on the old Firehawk plot where sewage drains are, to mark those so that way the workers don't run over them. So once we get to the top of the Eiffel Tower, we'll see more.
One thing that keeps slipping my mind to cover is that the Jukebox's Diner sign received some new LED light bulbs in the off-season, and that the inside of the restaurant was changed up. You now order on either kiosks on the left side of the building or order at the cashier in the middle. You pick up what you ordered on the right side, as well as pick up your favorite drinks. Alright, so color me impressed. Venture Express is always a great ride for me. Past couple of years, the theming elements have been not all working. They just had all of the theming elements working, except for the one guy at the top, but all the ones that are doing those were working. So props to the park. Alright guys, we made it back to the Emporium on International Street, and we're gonna head right inside and see these brand new patch merchandise that they have brought out. They're $5 a piece. And on the other side of this display, we have some new pins that include some Snoopy. So yeah, new merchandise. Alright guys, so we've made it to the top of the Eiffel Tower, and as we can see from up here, same thing as we said from Windseeker. There's nothing really new that we can notice. And still nothing new to report on that building being built back behind the Firehawk site. Alright, so one thing I didn't notice until now, if you can tell, is that the fountain sprinklers in the middle have larger spouts, and they have lights on them now. So they shoot higher. And a look at the employee dorms in the background there, as they're still putting the finishing touches up, and they should open later this month. Alright, so we're back on the ground from Eiffel Tower, and as you can see, on all four of the legs of the Eiffel Tower, they have new seating areas. So you can get your food from Chick-fil-A down there, Rose's down there, Skyline down there, Fest House. You can come over here and eat by the underneath the Eiffel Tower. Well, the flower clock is back and timing's a little off. Good to see it back for this season though. Alright, so we're over here by the Fest House, so we just got Panda Express. So one thing they do new this year is they give you a takeout box. It's no longer the plate, and they have the takeout box, and as we can open it up here. There's our entrees. You get the rice, you get a side, and 2 entrees. Let's dig in and eat. Alright, so this weekend Space Beagle started their show in the Peanuts Showplace in Planet Snoopy, and I have to say it, for a kid's show, I really enjoyed it. I honestly feel like everyone, no matter what your ages, will love this show. The cast, the music, the atmosphere of the show really gets the audience into it at some points, and it's fun for the kids to interact with the world-famous Beagle as he takes his trip to space. Alright guys, so we are actually here at Beast for the last ride of the night with... What's your name?
I don't know.
It's
Bullet
Evan.
Club.
And the FYE guys back there, and right there. So yeah. That's right, the night on Beast.